everybody! A while ago, one of my Patreon subscribers had let me know that they were having troubles with downloading and installing my Fingerchart application for Mac. At the time, I had figured out how to fix it. I let them know and posted instructions. But I figured now that I have a bit more time, I should make my own tutorial video on how to do this properly. So if you're a Windows user, this video is not for you. Please go ahead and click off this video and go enjoy a different video. The other thing is my computer currently has Mojave installed and I get the same error. I know this also happens on Catalina. I do not know if it happens on Big Sur or the upcoming Monterey yet, but I assume the instructions probably will be the same. If not, I suggest contacting Apple support because they know how to get around all these issues. So here I am, logged into Patreon as a different user, not my own personal account, so that way you guys can see exactly how it would show for you. And here is my last post that I did with my application. So here I'll click on Continue Reading, and I'll click on the link for Mac, and I'll click Download. Now, here is Google also being cautious. It's fine. I'm not trying to give you guys a virus. Click download anyway. Here we see the dialog to save the program to your computer. Mine is automatically going to my downloads folder. If it's not going to your downloads folder, you can click it on the side here. So then I click save. And I'll go here and go show in Finder because I want to see where it is. And it's in a zipped folder, so we'll click on it to unzip it. And there it is. So if I try to open the application now, I know I'm going to get an error. So I'll just show you guys so that way you can see what it would look like. It's verifying. And there's the error. It says that it's damaged, but it's not. This is just one of the many errors that Apple throws up at you whenever you're trying to, well, not always, but a lot of the time, this happens with applications that are made by other people or other companies. Basically, Apple just does not trust any software that they did not make themselves. So we'll click cancel on this error. And first, I want to move the application to my applications folder because that will make it easier in the future to find. So I'll just click, drag, and drop. And here it is. I have my applications in alphabetical order here. And now we want to open Terminal. So I personally have a shortcut to my Mac terminal, but if you're unsure of where it is, you just go to your applications folder, which we're already in, and scroll down until you see the utilities folder. And Terminal is right here in the utilities. So click to open that. And now we want to go back to our applications folder and go back and find where our application is. Here it is, because we'll need that in a sec. And now we'll want to type in a specific prompt. I'll have this in the description so that way you guys can copy paste and not have to worry about any typos. It is xattr space -cr space. And now we'll want to go back to the applications folder. And we want to click and drag the application and drop it into the terminal. And that gives the exact folder path of where this application is. So that way you don't have to type it out exactly into the terminal by hand. And then we hit enter. And now we'll open up the application. And see, we are now ready to learn about the violin and music theory. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.